Okay, so you must be thinking that you've clicked on the wrong thumbnail. This is supposed to be a rebuild video. Now this guy is swimming in the ocean. What about his shots? Alright, now, all jokes aside, after the great flood we had in the Breede River, the souls needed some rebuilding too, and this was just the place to do it. This holiday has been on the charts for a long time, and to let a flood take that from us, man, that would be just wrong. Have you figured it out yet, where we are? I want you to guess. If you can get that right, I'll give you a firm handshake and a pat on the back. I'll definitely make a future episode on this special place to show you more about their boats, their beautiful beaches, and their super friendly people, of course. In a little palm leaf shack on the beach, you can eat catch of the day, and it's literally catch of the day. And the shopping malls around here, I've noticed, are definitely different to the ones we used to. And the sailboats are awesome. Simplicity is bliss. I won't try this at home though. Disclaimer, trained professionals at work here. This spicy place has a rich history and proper coffee, of course. And it's also a pretty real place, with the daily hustle that goes with it. As for us, souls and bodies are fed and rested well. It is time to jump into the time machine and transport back to reality. Rebuild video coming soon. Stay tuned.